get off?
Oh, sure. Or right after, or?
Yeah, before everybody's disappeared.
Okay, yeah. We can do it with our life jackets or without?
I guess it doesn't matter. Maybe we'll just tell them we'll line up for a team photo.
Okay, all right, yeah, we'll do it after just so we don't want to hold up the...
Sure, yeah.
They did good.
Winner!
Can I turn it off?
All right, so we're gonna take a group. So drop off your life jackets, and then we're gonna do a group picture. All right. we'll do a group picture over there.
Good job.
First place. Hey, did we throw in the lake?
All right.
Hey, Jay, did we throw in the lake? Is that you?
No. That's it. Oh yeah. Good luck carrying me. Woo! Good job.
Okay. You're going in the water now. We're gonna take a group picture.
All right.
What a great crew. I hope to see you next year.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I talked to him earlier. I didn't realize it was the church.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, that was great.
They were hoping for you. They were looking for you.
Yeah, when you got 8, they shuffle you around. But when I can, I'll get to the teams I know. Yeah, I enjoy it. Yeah. Thank you. All right. Enjoy the rest of the day. You guys get better.
Thank you. All right, yeah, we're gonna do a group picture. That was good. That was great. Yep. We're gonna do a group picture.
Good job.